Welcome to channel Forensic 360. Today's topic is forensic odontology, bridging dental science and justice. Let's explore forensic odontology, its definition, applications, and significance to understand its crucial role in modern forensic investigations and justice. Forensic odontology, bridging dental science and justice. Discover how dental science intersects with legal investigations, uncovering clues, and ensuring justice. Forensic odontology bridges dental science and legal investigations by analyzing dental evidence to identify individuals, resolve crimes, and deliver justice. Dentists examine unique dental patterns, restorations, or bite marks to match victims or suspects, especially when traditional methods like fingerprints fail. This expertise is crucial in mass disasters, criminal assaults, or identifying remains in cold cases. Additionally, dental age estimation aids in legal disputes involving minors. By providing objective, scientific testimony in court, forensic odontologists ensure accurate conclusions, linking biological evidence to legal outcomes and reinforcing accountability in judicial systems. Let's see what is forensic odontology. Forensic odontology is a specialized branch of dentistry, utilizing dental science in legal investigations. Identification. Identifying individuals through dental records, particularly when other methods fail. Bite mark analysis. Connecting suspects to victims or objects based on bite patterns. Forensic odontology applies dental expertise to legal contexts, primarily through three key functions. First, it identifies individuals via dental records such as X-rays or treatment charts when fingerprints or DNA are unavailable, crucial in mass disasters or decomposed remains. Second, it analyzes bite marks on victims, objects, or suspects, linking perpetrators to crimes through unique dental impressions. Finally, it provides expert court testimony, validating evidence reliability. By translating dental data into legal proof, this field bridges gaps in criminal investigations, ensuring accurate identifications and unbiased justice, particularly where traditional forensic methods fall short, reinforcing accountability through scientifically validated dental evidence. Key applications. Forensic odontology plays a crucial role in various aspects of the justice system. Human remains identification. Bite mark analysis. Age estimation. Abuse detection. Mass disaster response. Malpractice investigations. Forensic odontology unlocks hidden truths through dental evidence. It identifies human remains via dental records when DNA or fingerprints fail, crucial in disasters or decomposed cases. Bite mark analysis links suspects to victims through unique dental impressions. Age estimation resolves legal disputes by assessing dental development in minors. Abuse detection uncovers patterns in dental injuries from domestic violence. Mass disaster response relies on odontologists to rapidly identify victims using dental databases. Malpractice investigations scrutinize negligent dental work for legal accountability. By merging dental expertise with justice, this field bridges science and law, ensuring accurate, ethical outcomes in criminal and humanitarian cases. Human identification via dental records. Dental records become a crucial tool for identifying individuals in cases where fingerprints or DNA are unavailable. Comparison. Dental records, including charts and X-rays, are compared with post-mortem findings. Significance. This technique is particularly useful in cases involving fires or severe decomposition. Human identification via dental records is a cornerstone of forensic science, vital when fingerprints or DNA degrade, common in fires, decomposition, or mass disasters. Dental enamel, the body's hardest substance, preserves unique identifiers like fillings, implants, or bite patterns, offering unmatched durability. Unlike DNA, time-consuming, or fingerprints, easily destroyed, dental records provide rapid, cost-effective matches using pre-existing X-rays or charts. Its significance spans historical cases, criminal investigations, and disaster victim identification, example 9/11. By bridging gaps where other methods falter, dental analysis ensures justice and closure, cementing its role as a gold standard in forensic identification. Age estimation and abuse detection. Forensic odontology plays a vital role in age estimation and abuse detection, particularly in cases involving minors and vulnerable populations. Age estimation. Tooth eruption patterns are used to estimate the age of minors, essential for immigration and criminal cases. Abuse detection. Dental trauma, such as fractures or bite injuries, can be indicators of abuse in children and elders. Forensic odontology is pivotal in age estimation and abuse detection, especially for minors and vulnerable individuals. By analyzing dental development stages, tooth eruption, root formation, or enamel wear, odontologists estimate age with precision, aiding legal cases involving immigration, custody, or criminal responsibility. In abuse detection, dental injuries, example fractures, burns, or patterned marks, reveal non-accidental trauma, distinguishing abuse from accidents. Neglect is identified through untreated decay or poor oral hygiene. This evidence provides courts with objective, biological proof to safeguard victims and hold perpetrators accountable. Combining scientific rigor with legal relevance, forensic odontology ensures justice and protection for society's most at-risk populations. Let's have a look into mass disasters and malpractice. Forensic odontology plays a crucial role in the identification of victims in mass disasters, as well as in analyzing medical records for malpractice investigations. Disaster. Dental data is utilized by DVI teams to rapidly identify victims in mass disaster events. Malpractice. Forensic odontologists analyze dental records to determine negligence in medical malpractice investigations. Forensic odontology is indispensable in mass disaster victim identification and dental malpractice investigations. During disasters, example fires, tsunamis, dental records serve as a gold standard when bodies are fragmented or decomposed. Odontologists match ante-mortem X-rays, fillings, or implants to post-mortem remains, enabling swift, accurate identifications where DNA or fingerprints fail. In malpractice cases, they scrutinize dental procedures, radiographs, or surgical errors to determine negligence such as nerve damage from extract ions or misaligned implants. By cross-referencing clinical records with outcomes, they provide objective evidence for legal accountability. Bridging dental expertise with judicial needs, this field ensures justice for victims and upholds ethical standards in healthcare. Let's talk about controversies and ethical concerns. Forensic odontology faces challenges related to the reliability of bite mark analysis, privacy issues, and the need for evidence-based standards. Reliability. Debates regarding the reliability of bite mark analysis, as DNA exonerations have raised concerns. Privacy. Ethical concerns surrounding the privacy and access to sensitive dental records. Forensic odontology grapples with controversies, notably the reliability of bite mark analysis, criticized for subjectivity and high error rates, which risk wrongful convictions. Privacy concerns arise over accessing and sharing sensitive dental records, requiring strict ethical compliance. The field lacks universal, evidence-based standards, leading to inconsistent methodologies and expert testimony. Critics argue for stricter validation of techniques to align with modern forensic science. Ethical dilemmas persist in balancing justice with patient confidentiality and avoiding overreach in criminal cases. While valuable in identification, the discipline faces calls for reform prioritizing empirical research, transparency, and accountability to uphold credibility in legal systems. Now look into technological advancements. Technological advancements have revolutionized forensic odontology, enabling greater precision and accuracy. 3D scanning and digital imaging create precise dental models for detailed comparisons. DNA extraction from dental pulp offers a valuable source of genetic material for identification. Technological advancements have transformed forensic odontology, enhancing precision and reliability. Digital imaging and 3D scanning create detailed dental models, improving bite mark analysis and identification accuracy. Artificial intelligence, AI, algorithms rapidly cross-reference dental records in databases like NDIR, National Dental Image Repository, expediting mass disaster victim identification. Cone beam computed tomography, CBCT, offers high-resolution insights into tooth structures for age estimation. DNA analysis from dental pulp aids in degraded remains. Such tools reduce human error, address past criticisms of subjectivity, and standardize methodologies. By merging cutting-edge tech with dental expertise, forensic odontology strengthens its scientific validity, ensuring faster, more ethical justice while upholding rigorous privacy and evidence-based standards. Now let's talk about conclusion and future directions. Forensic odontology plays a vital role in ensuring justice, balancing tradition and innovation. The future of forensic odontology focuses on reducing subjectivity, adopting validated methods, and further integrating advanced technologies. Forensic odontology bridges dental science and justice, balancing time-tested methods like dental record analysis with cutting-edge innovations. While traditional techniques, example bite mark comparisons, remain foundational, critiques of subjectivity drive the field toward validated, evidence-based practices. The future hinges on integrating advanced technologies, AI-driven databases, 3D imaging, and CBCT scans to enhance accuracy in identification, age estimation, and abuse detection. Standardizing protocols, reducing human bias, and prioritizing peer-reviewed research will strengthen credibility. Coupled with ethical safeguards for privacy and data security, this evolution ensures forensic odontology remains indispensable in legal systems, merging reliability with technological progress to deliver equitable, scientifically grounded justice. That's all for today. If you're new to channel, kindly like this video, comment below and subscribe to this channel, so you don't miss any update, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.